Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our digital cluster that we installed in a 2010 Audi A5, and you can see the steering wheel, customized steering wheel with the RPM and the kilometers, with the carbon fiber that's previously installed. And right now we install our latest digital cluster for Audi. Technically you can go to few modes to have few look. One was economic that you're seeing it. I'm changing it to economic and range, gear and speed, RS runaway, sport, and classic. You can also see the travel data. That's the settings, that's the driver assistant, that's the audio, it's on aux, that's the car if the doors are open or closed, Bluetooth connection, and that's the mode to change them. And on the corner you see the temperature on the left corner, and on the right corner you can see the gas tank information. Also you can change it to miles per gallon, or you can change it to miles per hour, so it works on both imperial or metric. You can use either or. If you're interested to get this type of digital clusters, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4Shop.ca, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Also you can get the customized steering wheel, plus you can get our Android screens. So you have the option to get all these things from our website. If you have any other questions, just please give us a call or send us an email. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.